Right, so today I've got this iPhone X in for repair. It is in because of this. The problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera. Face ID has been disabled. So what we're going to do is open her up and we can sort that out, and hopefully customer will then have Face ID again once we're finished. That's on there, and that has backed it up now, so then we can write it to the new. Right, so that's in there now, so put it back together and let's try. Right, so let's see what we can see with it now. So there we go. Job done. Successful repair. So if you've got Face ID that needs fixing, we can most probably fix it for you. So if I get out of here, look, and then try and unlock it. And then go back to it, and it works. So there we go. All working. Job done.